Go ahead.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Congratulations to your new series in Taiwan. Yung first question ko before Alexa, I just want to ask si Cyril. Yan. Kumbaga, alam namin tulad ng introduction sa iyo ni MJ kanina, palaban kang tao, di ba? Lalo na sa social media. Gaano ka ka-behave or misbehave dito sa series na tayo? Paano ka nakarelate sa character?
Dahil nga si Nix ay Miss Ma'am or may pagka-bakla siya dito. So I think dun kami may onting similarities kasi may mga araw naman na nagigising ako na parang gusto ko na maging panglang babae. Pero siguro ang mas similarities namin ni Nix, matapang sila sa, pareho sila design na pag may gusto silang panindigan, papanindigan nila. So hindi sila basta-basta na peer pressure. So kung yun yung stand niya, kahit mag-cut siya ng tao, okay lang. Basta papanindigan niya na hindi siya ganun or ganun siyang klase ng tao. So pareho sila ni Cyrus sa ganun ba?
Thank you, Cyril.
Thank you po.
Si ano naman Alexa, tanong ko lang, parang before this media ko, napanood namin yung interview mo sa TV Patrol about isa to sa mga, mga medyo mature roles because you have your kissing scene with
talaga?
JC
Oo.
Rivera, di ba?
Oh.
Ay,
JC
Alcantara, sorry. Yeah. So, siguro kay JC saka kay Alexa. Kumbaga, how was it? Kumbaga, kailangan nyo ba mag-usap na dalawa? How do you prepare for that scene? Gaano ka-intimate yung inyong kissing scene dito?
JP, how was it? Hindi, ako po, honestly, it was my first ever kissing scene po talaga. So admittedly, I was just very, very nervous. I was very scared. Being completely honest, I'm sure it was great, but I was so numb. I was not there. Yung kaluluwa ko wasn't really in the moment because I was just kinakabahan talaga. But I'm also very lucky because si Direk, talagang kinausap niya kami, he would remind us, he would tell us about the shots, kailan lang namin need gawin. Sobrang maalaga talaga si Direk. Everything had consent, everything was, we talked about each and every step, everything was consensual, yes. And I'm also very lucky kasi my first kissing scene was with such a great guy, which is si JC, na very, maalaga siya. I think,
Dami yung re-react sa likod.
so sabi ko nga, okay, this is parang ito yung will ni Lord. Umabot na ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ito talaga yung first. Bibigay ko talaga lahat-lahat dito sa misbehave. So go, gawin na natin to. Kaya perfect din na si JC kasi he was such a very gentle partner, very hands-on din siya, very maalaga. So, I feel like it went well naman. But again, I was so out of it. I'm sure it was good. Again, I was so out of it. Ikaw sumagot. Parang dapat siya yung sumagot.
Yun na nga, siguro follow-up lang kay JC. JC, kumbaga, hindi lang siguro si Alexa yung lucky kasi you're lucky kasi ikaw yung first
swerte ko.
kissing scene niya sa on-screen, di ba? So, how was it? Sabi niya nga, it was good. Ikaw naman, how do you describe the kissing scene with Alexa?
Si Alexa kasi, first scene ko, kissing scene agad.
Like taping?
Yes, taping ko agad doon. First day ko taping, yes. Kasi before po, ako talaga si Warren dito. Share ko lang din po. Okay lang po ba?
Ayan, sabi mo na eh.
Sabi ko naman, ako si Warren dito. Nag-prepare ako for Warren for almost 2 months. And then after nun, kinabukasan, JC, ikaw na si Ko. Wait, ano ba ito? And then after nun, taping ko na agad. So kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko alam gagawin. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare sa role na yun. Pero buti na lang, kinahit ako ni Direk. And also, si Misbehave. Si Alexa, sobrang dream come true kasi sa akin makatrabaho si Alexa. Pangarap ko talaga makatrabaho siya before pa lang. Sinasabi ko na kay Direk, promise, legit, yes. And then yun, first kissing scene namin, ready ako, sobrang ready ko. Tapos si Alexa, kinakabahan, sabi ko, okay lang yan, don't worry. Gagabayan kita,
Wow.
Ako bahala sa...
Expert!
Ganitong gagawin natin, dahan-dahanin ko lang ako. Ako nang bahala. And then after ng taping na, okay, go, kiss. Pag kiss niya ganun, ang lala, like, hindi first time. I mean, sobrang, in a good way. In a good way. Sobrang professionally.
No, kasi yung mga ganong eksena, you want it done on the first take. Para wala na ang ulit-ulit, di ba? Unless
Wala na.
Di ba?
So-
So, kasi aside mo kasi first kissing scene.
First kissing
So may
scene.
second kissing scene?
Meron po.
Okay.
Pero sobrang
Wala na way na
professional.
dun.
Nagustuhan ko yung pagka-strong niya ni Alexa. Na, nakita ko kung paano siya kapalaban. Na gusto niyang gawin para dun sa role na yun. Na gusto niya panindigan, hindi. Kailangan kong gawin to para kay Marla. And sobrang committed niya sa role niya. Kaya sobrang wow.
It just really shows yung professionalism
Professional.
ni Alexa. Diba? Direct, you wanna add? May mga binanggit kasi si JC na
Welcome po sa script con ng Miss
Story on. Story on pa lang po to. Direct. Siya daw originally was what?
Yes, he was originally first Warren. Someone was
Someone, not part of this.
Yes, someone was supposed to play
Ooh.
Cole, but I think the schedule didn't align.
Okay.
And ako naniniwala naman ako na kung sino talaga ang para doon, siya talaga. And I think nag-align talaga yung stars kasi I couldn't have asked a better Cole. And nung pumasok si Aki, he was supposed to play Warren from the get-go. No? January pa or February, I was trying to get in touch na
Si Akira?
with Akira. But it was the
So dalawa silang magawa rin dapat.
And then, may iba pang role
Okay.
dapat si Joy.
Pero gulo na.
Kasi in terms of casting,
Okay.
pero like, nung si Aki hindi commended because he was doing, I think, promo for BGYO, na-delay din kami. Yung shoot. So tama-tama nung na-delay, he was already available and at that time, nalipat na si JC as Cole. Tama-tama pumakante yung Warren and free siya to do it. So parang ako, I feel meant to be. Like, lahat ng nakast dito is meant to be here.
Part of this.
Yes.
That's right. Thank you, Alan. Uy, ang dami ng follow-up.
Talagang init-init siya doon sa scenario ni JC, di ba? Parang ano lang yung reaction mo na palaban ka ba?
Tama naman po. Direct naman. Parang, one thing about me, I think people can tell naman na palaban naman po talaga ako. At bukod sa palaban, ang word of my life na yun ay matapang din ako. So, yun din yung, that's what I had to channel for Miss Babe. Kailangan ko siyang tapangan. Kung gagawin ko to, it's all in or nothing at all. So, yun.
Thank you.
Thank you, Cole.
Headline na kami palaban sa
Thank you, Alan. Let's call it Zine Media. Wala? Okay. Question is for Alexa. How was it like working with BGYO Akira in Misbehave and BGYO Jello in The Chambermaid's Daughter? Who do you like working with more? Sorry.
Drama! Actually, nagko-collect talaga ako ng Pokemon, no? Yung mga BGYO, kinakollect ko na yung mga people. But, seriously, working with Aki, well, I worked with him na po kasi sa Your Face. So, nothing new, except this is acting naman. It's not singing, it's not performing. And it feels very refreshing. Nare-refresh ako sa kanya and also with his character. Galing na galing ako sa kanya. I always tell him, you're a natural.
Yes!
You're a natural at this. You should do it more. You should do it more often. Bagay talaga sa kanya and kahit ako as Marla, kapag siya yung ka-eksena ko, meron sense of hinga. Parang may peace na nararamdaman si Marla at pati na rin si Alexa. Parang yun yung hinga ko out of the heavy drama na ginagawa namin sa araw-araw. So it's been really fun. It's been fun. Yes.
Para ka ng Rufa Making.
No, ayun. Na-enjoy ko po talaga. And also with Jello, iba naman din kasi yung atake namin sa The Chambermaid's Daughter. Yes. And both I Want project. So maraming salamat naman po I Want. Thank you so much sa pagpuno ng aking schedule. Ibang-ibang atake nila eh. Iba yung mga binibigay nilang dalawa sa akin. So, syempre, hindi po ako pwede pumili kasi may magagalit. Charot. No, pero natin. So, both na lang.
Both na lang.
Yeah.
Sa kasi Akira, medyo ang dami ng experience ito sa acting eh. No? Medyo...
Idol ko yan. Bata pa lang ako, idol ko yan.
Alright, thank you very much. I think Ellie Santos is here. Let's go!